Minimize downtime across your business by ensuring that your IT isn't what slows down your production line. Choose ProSource for IT support that makes your core business tasks faster and cheaper. 47% of manufacturers want to upgrade their software, but that can be time-consuming and costly. ProSource understands CRM and CMMS systems. We can help you optimize or upgrade yours. Manufacturers who lead in cloud adoption achieve a 42% ROI. When you work with ProSource's cloud support team, your manufacturing company will become one of them. Cyber issues can lead to significant supply chain disruptions, but ProSource's strategic assessments can help you avoid these issues so you can consistently deliver your products on time. Modern manufacturing businesses require seamless coordination between people and machines. That's why ProSource offers advanced data center solutions that support flawless coordination throughout your factory. With 80 years of combined IT experience in over 9 different countries, we're proud to say that we can offer our clients a 99.9% cloud uptime guarantee to support their efficiency. Transform the way your manufacturing company operates. Reach out to ProSource to boost your productivity through IT solutions.